Hello everyone. Today I will be explaining the program 2 using static routing method. So let us implement this in Cisco packet tracer. So basically we need two routers, two switches and two PCs for each switches. So let us implement that first. So I will delete this diagram. So first we need two PCs. So we'll implement that. So go to end users, then select PC. So basically we need total 4 PCs and we need two switches. So I'll be using 2960 switch. And we need two routers. That is the first one, 4331. Now we have to connect this all the components. So to connect we have to go to connections, then select the copper straight through wire. So select the fast Ethernet and connect the switches with fast Ethernet. Then select second PC fast Ethernet. Same, if you are selecting the fast Ethernet, then you have to connect with the fast Ethernet only. So same way I will be connecting the switch with the router also with the same wire. So now I will be using Giga Ethernet. So in router also you have to select the Giga Ethernet only. So now we have connected all the components. Now we have to provide the IP address for routers and the PCs. So click on the router, then go to configuration, then you have to see which port you have connected. So this is the first network, second network and the third network. So keep the cursor. So you will get Giga 001. So you have to go to Giga 001 and provide the IP address 192.168. So basically it is a first network, so we will start from 1.1. And you have to always on the port status, so it should be on. So same way provide the IP address for PC also. So go to desktop, IP configuration and IP4 address, that is 1.2, 192.168.1.2. and so this PC is of network 1, so it is connected with the router 1 component. So we have to provide a default gateway, so which is the IP address of the first router. So already I had copied the IP address. Now same way do for the other PC also. So for the second PC, go to desktop, IP configuration, then this will be 1.3 and give the default gateway. So now these two PCs are connected with the router 1. Now we have to connect the router 2 with these two PCs. So give the IP address for router 2, go to configuration, then 0.1. So this is our network 2, so it will start from 2.1 and keep the port status always on. So now give the IP address for the PC. So go to desktop, IP configuration, India. So this is the second network, so it will start from 2.2. So 2.1 is already given to the router, so that router address I will be giving in the default gateway. So this will be 2.1. So the default gateway address I have already copied from the router IP address. So same way we have to do for the second PC also. So go to desktop, IP configuration, and provide the IP address. So this will be 2.3 and provide the, we have to give the default gateway, that is the IP address of router 2. Now provide the IP address for Giga 01. So click on the first router. So the IP address will be 192.168.3.1 and the status port status should be on. Same way for second router, Giga Ethernet 01. The IP address will be 192.168.3.2. Same way the port status must be on. And then now we will be configuring the static routing. So click on the router static. So now we have to provide the network address of destination router, which is the second router. So the network address of second router is 192.168.2.0 and the mask address will be same, 255.255.255.0, and in the next hop address is the IP address of second router, that is 192.168.3.2. Then click on add button. Same way for the second router, click on static. Then here the network address will be of first network, so 192.168.1.0 and mask address is same, 255.255.255.0, and the next hop address is the IP address of first router, so 192.168.3.1. So now we'll check whether the packets are sending or not. Click on the packet, source and the destination PC. So starting 2 step it will be failed, and the third step it will be successful. So that's all for the second experiment. Thank you.